After you've unboxed your TempSense espresso machine, you'll need to rinse the beans hopper and burr grinder, milk jug, filter baskets, group handle, tamper, and water tank in a bit of warm water with mild detergent, making sure the items are thoroughly dried before using them. Remove the red plug underneath the water tank before filling it with cold water and inserting the tank back into the machine. To turn the machine on, simply press the power button. The light located in the center of the power switch will pulse to indicate the machine is heating up. When the pulsing stops and the manual 1 and 2 cup buttons are fully illuminated, the machine is at temperature and ready to use.